In this video, you will learn how to add a Printify product in Wix. First, log in. Log into your Wix account and open your site in the editor. Then, go to the Wix app market by clicking the app market on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type in Printify and select the Printify app from the results. Click. Click to add the site and install the app. Once the app is added, click Open App to connect your Printify account and create a new one if you do not have a Printify account already. Sign in. Sign into your Printify account and set up your store settings, such as the payment, shipping and more. Browse. Browse the Printify product catalogue to select the item you want to add to your Wix site. Then, customise the product. This could be for the design, colour, sizes and more. Then click to add it to your store. The product will automatically be added to your Wix store. You can edit product details, descriptions and even the price. Once you are ready, publish your site to make the Printify product live for your customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.